Very good evening, friends, traders. I follow all these rules. Nalini Precision Engine. What are all the things? First step is find the house. Next is find the door. Wait for the guest. These are the three things I do see for my trade. First is find the house means find the structure. Where is my house? Whether it is above the weekly high or previous day high, previous day low, or at the cusp level. Cusp level means sometimes weekly low and weekly high will come under cusp levels. Even the day high and day low will also be at the cusp level. Those are the things I watch. That is, I want to find my house. Where is my house? That is nothing but finding the structure. Next step is I want an entry to the door to entry into the house. That is place to enter. That can be done with my Nalini Precision Engine. I'm going to explain it to you in a few minutes. And next, third step is wait for the guest. Momentum. Then only I will take the trade. If there is no house, no door, no trade. Remember this. First, find the house, find the door, and wait for the guest. These are the three things I see before taking the trade. I'll explain it to you. Remember this. You can take the picture, keep it in your desk, and let me remove this. Now, I am finding the house. How do I find the house? With the help of my Nalini EMA indicator. Nalini EMA indicator is designed to mark previous day high, previous day low, previous week high, previous week low, and also monthly high and monthly low. Here, I have enabled only previous week high and previous day high and previous day low. The purple color plus signs are previous day high, previous day low, and blue color, this one is previous week high. So automatically on the side you get the labels here. Now I know my structure. That is, I have found my house. Where is my house? My house is comfortably sitting, even though on yesterday there was a fall, it is comfortably sitting above the previous week high. Then the thing is, structure is positive. Only my house becomes collapses if it falls below this. So the first step is done. I have found my house and I have marked my levels. See, even though there are so many, see, price came, this is previous day high, previous day low, and these are the reference point. Today's it has marked the low and high. Even though price came down to this level, note here, 24, let me place the cursor on the candle, you are seeing 24,096. My previous weekly high is placed at 24,075. Let me write down 24,075. I'm going it very slow. Listen to me careful. The market made a low, panicked, making a low, but it did not breach this structure. The floor was intact, so my house was intact. Then next step is I want to find the door. That is, find my entry. First step is over. I found my house. Next step is I have to find my entry. For that, I am enabling, not this, okay. I will enabling my Nalini Precision Engine. Nalini Precision Engine is a engine. It gives you automatically pivots, rolling pivots, layers, layer 1 and layer 2, noon session layer 1 and layer 2. Apart from that, it gives you stocks also. You can trade for the stocks. Okay. First step is what I do is when I open my trade, I disable the rolling pivots because just I'll show you why. I want to see the formation of layers. These layers will be formed exactly at 980. This is the first layer. 1, 2, this is the pivot. Here labels are there. Morning pivot, morning S1, green color one, morning S2. And this is low. Okay. What happened you see? See over here, first 15-minute candle pierced down and closing inside above the around the morning layer pivot. So I found the entry. Structure is intact. What is the entry? Everything above the morning layer pivot and Gann Hilo blue. So everything thick. So I have found my entry, door, confirmation. Okay. Now for me to confirm again, I open rolling pivots. So step 3, I'm enabling rolling pivots. See, when I open this, the price is sitting above the pivot, right? Price is sitting above the pivot. When it is above the Gann Hilo, it is blue in color. Blue pivot is blue. Everything set, everything perfect. So immediately what I do, my direction, I need to go inside the door. I got a door to move inside the house. So the direction I got is towards the inside the house, not outside the house. Entry I got. Then next step, what I do is go to the option and select the option little bit 24,200 option or 24,250. Same thing. What I do here, uncheck the rolling pivots and you see I have entry is there. Gann Hilo and it is above the pivot. I am entering here Jodi candle as informed. The first candle was a huge volatility candle. Next candle, red candle, confusion. It appeared as if it is going to go down, but the third candle is a Jodi candle. Let me enable the rolling pivot to see where it is sitting. It is sitting above the pivot. Price is above the pivot. So everything confirmed. My entry, I'm taking my entry around 153. My stop loss will be little bit below. Even I can go to 2 minutes time frame and I can enter. I'm for an example, I'm showing it to you so that your stop losses will be minimal. Say I am entering at 153, my stop loss is 143, that is 10 rupees stop loss. If I go to 2 minutes, I'll get still early entry. Now, when the price within two candles, 15 minutes candle, it touched the R1. It gave the target of 197, 40, more than 45 points. So, okay, when it has touched there, I take my profit. I take my profit, and you can see the market was very much sideways. First hour, second hour, my Nalini precision engine will form 1 pivot boxes every hour. Since I am on the 15 minutes, every 4 candles, 1 box is formed. This is the pivot, R1, R2, S1, S2, like that in this box, in this box. So by that time, noon session started. When noon session started, again, we need to see for the entry, confirmation of the entry, whether noon session means London other time frame traders are also supporting. Yes, the price, these boxes are sitting above the GAN Hilo. No question of thinking about going short, because the structure house is intact, and the trend is intact. So only we have to wait for the discount. By keeping this S3, when it comes down, you can keep this as stop loss 156. See, it came down to 169. 169 to 156 is 13 points. Second entry you got. If you would have entered Jodi candle, again Jodi candle, reversal candle. Jodi means reversal candle. You might have heard two type reversal candles. You might have learnt about bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, piercing candle. These are all Jodi candles. Two candle structures. So confirmation comes with the two candle structure with my pivot. Jodi candles are the meaning of that. Reversal candle. The market was coming down. It started reverse, and this reversal candle, Jodi candle, is climbing above the pivot. That is the confirmation. So you are entering over here, and the price started. It was very, very choppy. In the third hour, second hour, and third hour, finally it took off. It took off, and finally it closed around 200. It has closed around 232. It made an high of 233.6 and closed around 232. That is the highest point. So friends, remember, first step is find the house with my Nalini EMA indicator. Next, find the door. Find the guest momentum. This is the momentum. We have found the guest entry and momentum. We are inside the house. Remember 3 steps. When 3 are there, you are going to take the trade. So let us go to the opposite side. Whether what happened to the 24,250 put option. See, 1 minute. When you see the put option, let me hide this indicator. and open Nalini EMA indicator. Let me open Nalini EMA indicator. I want to find the house. There is no weekly structure on this. This, it has fallen below. The structure is not there. It is first candle losing its, it has come out of the house. So it is no house. Next step is we are finding the door. Whether we are finding the door, let me enable the rolling pivot. So uncheck rolling pivot, see for the layers, morning layers. Oh, it has come out of the house and also below the pivot, and these two candles are below the pivot. Confirmed. Trend is Gann Hilo red. Price is below the pivot. No entry. So, no entry. It is outside the house. So, it is a selling candidate. We are not going to take the direction of the house is confirmed. We should be on the call option side. So, you are not entering into this call option here, and for it is a boon for a writer. When he found no entry, everything, he could have written this put option around 224. He could have cashed in 100 points over here. So this is how it guides you through the level. And if you want to enter for a short trade in the put option, enable rolling pivot. Okay. Now we have seen the layers. Let me zoom it. Seen the layers. The pivot is door is red. Gann Hilo red. Price is below that. It is going outside. This is the structure. Previous day low. It has come outside. Then you can sell this option. A writer can do that. 223, keeping this as stop loss, and he could have continued riding this. So he could have made 100 points, almost 100 into 65, 6,500 per lot. This is how you can precisely find the going to the opposite side and seeing this when this put option is not finding the house, then you can decide for the call option, the entry and momentum you can decide and you can take the trade. So first step is finding the house, next step is finding the entry, finding the door, and third step is finding the guest. When all three are okay, you are trading with. So it is a complete system. My indicators are, it is a complete system, you can take the trade. I've created other indicators also, market memory POC, even that also will give you idea. In this video, I'm not going to show about market memory POC. Even with that also, you can take the trade. Combining with this, also you can apply it and get confirmation, find the structure, and you can trade with that. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off, and follow these 3 steps. Make it as a worksheet, put a tick every day, and follow this discipline thoroughly, then you will be successful. Thank you very much. If you want my indicator, so many people have accessed my indicator. They are enjoying profits and also enjoying my indicator. If you also want to take my indicator, you need to message me on this number 989845209600. WhatsApp me on this number so that you will get the details. It is a paid indicator. You can get access to it on the trading view. You can trade on the trading view even with the free version. 2 indicators you can comfortably apply on the free version and you can trade. And my indicator is a complete system. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinaksha Swami.